How to remove bracket. How do you remove bracket? Bracket is just like when you have a shed and you have a shed covering something. For instance, this is a bracket and we want to take away the bracket. So this bracket is covering 3G plus 4H. And what is after the bracket? Plus is what is after the bracket. So it is this plus that is multiplying this and is also multiplying this. This plus has an invisible 1. So invisible 1 is multiplying the bracket. So in this case, let me write out this thing. Plus times plus will give us plus. Plus times minus. Minus times plus. We will make use of this multiplication of sign in this bracket. So if you want to solve this type of problem, you must know this thing offhand. Plus times plus is plus, plus times minus is minus, minus times plus is minus, and minus times minus is plus. You will make use of this here in the sense that this sign is multiplying each sign in this bracket. This sign is multiplying each sign in this bracket. And don't forget, I told you earlier that every number has its sign. Even though when a number seems not to have a sign or there is no sign appearing at the back of the number, it does not mean it does not have a sign. It still has a sign and the sign is positive. For instance, this 7G, the sign of 7G is plus, but it's invisible plus. The sign of 3 here is plus, but it's invisible plus. It is here, not outside. It is here. So the sign of 4H here is this plus. So we have two signs here. One is here, invisible, and one here that is visible. So this plus is multiplying the sign here. First, let me draw the arrow. It's multiplying the sign here. First, it will multiply this one, and secondly, it will multiply this sign. How will you write that? 7G is the first number. You write 7G. That is 7G. You will now say you want to remove this bracket now. And what makes this bracket to be there is this plus. What makes this bracket to remain there is this plus. So you are using this plus to multiply the bracket. And what is it multiplying in the bracket? It's multiplying the sign. This is plus times the invisible plus here, which is plus times invisible plus here will give us plus times plus, that is plus 3G. 3G is the number that is here. Then followed by, what is the next sign? Plus times this plus, that is plus 4H. You write the number next. So you have removed the bracket. Then G, that is the same letter. So you are adding the same letters together. That is 7G plus 3G. That is 10G. This is 4H. H cannot be added to G. Impossible. It is as if when you have goat plus 4N. So you cannot add them together. So it is 10G plus 4H. 10 goat plus 4N. That is how it will be. Let's take a look at another example. We want to look at this 13P plus into bracket 6P minus 3P. Close the bracket. That is plus is multiplying this bracket. So you are concerned with removing this bracket. This is the bracket you want to remove. 13p is the first number, there is no bracket there, so you write 13p, then plus times, you know there is one invisible plus here, plus times the invisible plus here. That is plus times plus will give us plus, plus. The next number here is 6p. 6p, that is, I told you you will use this sign to multiply this sign first. You write the number, you now use the sign to multiply the sign again here, and you now write the number. So I've done plus times invisible plus here will give us plus 6p, then plus times minus, plus times minus will give us minus, that is minus. You write the number, that is 3q. You have removed the bracket. Then you now add or subtract. 3p, this is p, this is p, and this is q. This and this, they are the same letter, and this is different letter. So you can add this and this together. This cannot be added to p because it is q. We have 13p plus 6p will give us 19p minus 3q. That is our final answer. 19p minus 3q is not possible. P and q, they are not the same. That is our final answer. Let's take a look at another example. At this junction, I want to tell you the secret behind when addition is in front of your bracket. When addition is in front of your bracket, you will repeat the number the same, nothing will change. If you look at this plus in front of this, it will give you 3 plus 3g plus 4h. When addition is in front of your bracket, you have plus 6p minus 3q. Can you see that? So if there is plus in front of your bracket, nothing will change it. So you can write it that same way. So it is still correct. So which means that addition is here. I can write it out like this. It's the same thing. 6s minus 5y. Addition is there. 3y plus 4x. I just write it out like that, which is also correct. You can also multiply out if you want to verify. Plus times invisible plus here will give us 6x, that is what we write here. Plus times minus will give us minus 5y. Plus times plus will give us plus 3y. Plus times plus will give us plus 4x. After that, you collect the like times. Collecting like times means taking letters that are the same together and letters that are the same after. X is what I want to arrange first. 6x, this is coming with plus. So if you want to carry 4x, it will come with plus 4x. That is plus 4x. And is there other x? No. Followed by y, that is minus 5y plus 3y. Now we can do our addition. X will add x, that is 10x. 6x plus 4x give us 10x minus 5y plus 3y